Here we come into the new Fuge room here. There it is. There's my new Fuge for my saltwater tank upstairs. Down here in the basement in the laundry room now. This is my PVC plumbed area. My light there for the Fuge and the new skimmer compartment. A little bit more roomier than before. Now get at my sock a whole lot easier. Change that thing out in a matter of a minute, not even. There's the plumbing, goes around the corner. Goes behind my furnace here. Shoots up towards the ceiling. From around here. It's the furnace area. And you can see where it goes up here. It's pitched upward. Runs up by the ceiling here next to my beam. And right up there through the floor. That's what that looks like down here. And then we'll go upstairs and I'll show you how it comes through up there. And here we are. Up here. This is where I made my access. You can see I cut through the bottom plate. Came up from the base with my two lines. Punched right through the wall right there. Two pipes side by side. Comes right through. There they are right there. Went through the wall on this side. And under the stand here. There they are. Up right there. Main supply is stepped down to a 3/4, and my drain is a 1-inch stepped up to 1 1/4 inches. Main supply is 1.5 inches. That's what I did. Now you can see it's pretty empty underneath here. Lots of room to do anything inside of here if I want to. Just got a little tray holding my stuff now. Still got my timer set up for my lights in here. Another strip up there for my internal pumps. That's it now. That's how it looks. Fish don't really know the difference. It's Oldschoolsalter signing out. Later.